Alright, welcome back to the channel. We have the 20-volt CRAFTMAN vacuum cleaner here. This thing is awesome. Let me show you all the features. I was going to do a longer video and show you guys a comparison of the two, but after using this for about 5 minutes, there is no comparison. There's almost no comparison to the Shark Rocket, which plugs in the wall. That's 120 volts, because I've had them both. And this thing is just better in every way. So let me show you all the features real quick. This is the filter here, so you just pull on that, this pops out. You got an agitator for the filter. You can spin that and it will actually clean off your filter so you get more suction. That's the desk compartment there. You push this button, you can empty that out. This pops right back on there. Line that hole up there, line that up right there, and just push in. 20-volt CRAFTMAN battery. Got a full charge on it. It's got 4 pins, 2 controls, and a positive and a negative, so it's always good when you have controls on your tools for overheating, things like that. Came with some accessories. Came with the battery, came with the charger, 150 bucks. So in store right now, my Lowe's still said $200, and that's not true. For now, until the 29th, they are going to be $150. That was pretty much my deciding factor. So let's see what we got. We're going to push this button here. So the first thing you notice, this is clear, so if you get anything caught in between here, you know exactly what's going on, because you can see if something's bound up in here. You get the scissors, cut the long hair out, whatever you got, and this thing will start performing again. It agitates, which is always good if you have pets. Now it's got 3 different speeds or modes or whatever. So that's on, that's low, that's medium, and then there's high. Now you can turn this off and not have it agitate by pushing this button here. So turn it on. And it shows the battery life right there. I just vacuumed this carpet, but if you're new to agitating style vacuums, I know whenever I first got my first agitating vacuum, we used to have a different kind of vacuum that had a bag, so you never really got to see what you were picking up. But you don't even realize what's in these carpets. This is just a rug. This isn't even carpet. And I've already vacuumed this thing once. I'm going to vacuum it again, and I'm going to show you what we pick up, because you're going to be really surprised. So let's get this empty. So you'll see here, it grabs the hair, puts it around there. I got a Labradoodle. He doesn't shed, but like to the touch or like visibly, but every once in a while you'll see like hair from this dog, kind of like a tumbleweed, just rolling around. Put that in there, pop that right there. Good to go. Let's get this vacuum. So first off, I'm going to show you, we can actually roll over this and it'll probably pick it up. You're going to be surprised, because I didn't think that I was going to be able to pick up things like this. Also a little piece of plastic right there. We're going to see if we can get that too. Here we go. So that's just the suction on. I'm going to turn the agitator on. Yeah, go on. Now let's see what we picked up, because I've already vacuumed this, like I said. And you can see in there, you know, we actually picked up some more repair. Actually, quite a bit. Let's run this on high and really just agitate the carpet a whole bunch, and let's see how it does. You can actually feel the suction where it doesn't want to pick up. It's got a pretty good suction to it. Oh, let's see what we got. Yeah, there you go. That's the scary things with these, man. Oh look, this is that piece of paper that we picked up. So it would not make it in here. So when I said that you could pick up bigger things, let's try that again. I wanna see where that ends up. Let's put this back on. Okay. That's probably the biggest thing that you can get in here without causing too much trouble. As you can see, larger pieces of paper did get stuck there. And yeah, this has been your no BS, no agenda review on this 20-volt CRAFTMAN. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one.